G'day and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Mark. In today's show, very quick one today, we're just going to install a Motorsport Australia approved fire extinguisher and bracket to the BRZ as part of our preparations for the 2021 Subaru Nationals. It's a little short, so I have tacked on a quick lap of Sydney Motorsport Park at the end if you want to hang around and watch that. It's only filmed with a mobile phone camera, so it's not the greatest and it's not the fastest lap in history either, but whatever. Okay, see you after the intro. This is the bracket assembly that I purchased and where I purchased it from. As you can see, the pricing isn't too bad and the pricing is accurate as of June 2021. There are others around obviously, but that's the one that we're installing today. Now this is the kit on the bench. The only difference is you'll notice that the actual bracket itself, or the carrier for the extinguisher, is already installed, but that is the kit that you get when you purchase. Well, we're filming over a door, so it's not exactly easy to get a good shot, but this will have to do. So first of all, we just take out the front bolts, and yes, I did pre-loosen these because they were tight. How tight? Very. Now we're not going to reuse these because the kit comes with its own. Just get rid of those. Keep my fat head out of the shot if I possibly can. Talk amongst yourselves for a second. Being hard to get along with, of course. Okay, that's one. That is two. Now, place our spacers there and there. Now that is just to lift the bracket up over the rail, something like that. So we grab our replacement bolts, get them started loosely. Excuse my fat head again. One I prepared earlier. I just get both of them down before I tighten them up. Just a bit of movement. This is quite a tidy install, and they are for Australian, the old CAMS approved, so I'm assuming that's transferred to Motorsport Australia approval. Not that I particularly need it in the speed category, but it's good to know if you happen to be building an XL, something of that nature, that this is a Motorsport Australia approved fire extinguisher bracket. So, we'll grab this bit, and these allow for easy removal. Should you wish to remove the whole thing, scrutineering, something of that nature, or replace something, indeed remove the seat. This makes it a bit easier. He says as he can't get it to go in, there it is. Do that, do that. Grab our bottle with the pins come out, that's handy. Maybe not really. Do something about that. That can get ugly. Pop that in there. And there we go. Job done. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, pretty quick video. Once again, thanks for stopping by. Further updates to the car will be filmed as we go along, getting it ready for the Subinats. Quick shout out, remember, suicide only transfers the pain. If you're having dramas, make the call. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.